Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for the comment section. Make sure to check out the description as well. Loads of affiliate links down there that are really going to benefit you when you sign up, so make sure that you do that. As always, thank you very much for joining me. We're taking a look at Polygon then. A quick update on the daily time frame. As we can see, looking like we're back towards where my entry was for this long position. Polygon really hasn't bounced up like a lot of cryptos have, and it's starting kind of lagging behind, which in my opinion tends to suggest we're probably going to see a move up towards 70 cents or so pretty soon. You can see here I'm about break even on my trade that I've been sat in for the past few weeks, and really looking like we're just stuck under that 0.23 Fibonacci at the minute. But really, with Bitcoin heading up, I do think that Polygon has got that potential to be swinging to the upside. And you can see quite a lot of altcoins. I've been looking at quite a few altcoins, and that quite a few of them are shaping up like this, where you've got this resistance line where we're stuck under. Resistance, resistance, resistance. We break through, but then we get that swing to the downside again, but then we're back testing that previous resistance as support. We come down really overextended here. You can see putting in some bullish divergences on this swing to the downside as well. We take the liquidity below this swing low around 50 cents. I could easily see this reversing back up, in my opinion, doing something like this, maybe forming a W double bottom pattern like that, and then heading back up towards at least 70 cents. Right now we're just chilling, but I do think the bias is bullish with Bitcoin heading up. We'll have to see what happens over the next few weeks.